I'm Miss Minnie, and today we're gonna have some fun with shaving cream. We're gonna do a fun sensory activity and we're gonna make a rainbow at the same time. So first things first, we need shaving cream, some kind of mixing tool, unless you wanna get your hands all dirty and colorful, that's your choice. I'm gonna use this old straw. And then you need some food coloring, and it works best in a glass container. So I have my baking dish here. So first we're gonna shake, shake, shake our shaving cream, and we're gonna spray it all around our baking dish. Here we go. The more fun it will be. Whoa. Shake, 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 shake it up. All right, there we go. It was a little clogged. Filling up my dish. Makes my house smell good too. Okay, so now we're gonna make a rainbow with all of our different colors. So what's the first color of the rainbow? If you can't remember, I have the rainbow behind me. Red it is. I have my red here. We're gonna do some drips of red. I'll put some on the edge over here so you can really see it. Drip some red all around. Little drops, not too much. There we go. What's the next color of the rainbow? Orange, you're right. Well, we don't have orange food coloring, so we're gonna mix two colors to make orange. We're gonna mix yellow and red to make orange. So now I'm gonna drop a couple more drops of red, and in the exact same spot, I'm gonna put a drop of yellow. So here's a drop of red, and then a drop of yellow right on top. There we go. I'll do one over here so you can see it on the edge. And then another drop of red over here, and a drop of yellow right in the same spot. I did 2 drops that time. Another drop of red, and another drop of yellow right on top. Now I'm gonna do some yellow drops all around. So I'm gonna put the lid back on, because if this falls over and spills, it's gonna make a terrible mess. So put the lid on my red, and now we'll do some yellow drops. It kind of looks orange when you drop it out, but it'll turn yellow when you start mixing. And I'll do one over here on the edge so you can see it. And now what's the next color of the rainbow? We did red, orange, yellow. Green is the next color. I have 2 shades of green. I have light green and dark green, so I'm gonna do a little bit of both. I'll do some light green first. Oh, it's already starting to look like a rainbow. Hold it up so you can see it. And now we'll do some dark green dots. Remember, just little drops. Do some back here. And what's the next color of the rainbow? You look behind me. Blue it is! My favorite color, and I have 2 shades of blue. I have light blue and dark blue, so I'll do light blue first. Here's light blue so you can see on the edge there. Just over here. Mixing it all around. It kind of looks like polka dots. Now I'll do some dark blue dots. Some dark blue. And, oh wow, it's so dark it almost looks black. And then the next color of the rainbow. What comes next after blue? It's purple. Here's my purple. Put a dot here so you can see it. Let's see, where's a good spot? There we go. There's some purple dots. Maybe one over there. Purple one's really dark too, but when you spread it around, it'll look lighter. Oh, I dropped it in there. Oh, look at that big mess I made. That's why I have my tablecloth out. And the last color I have is pink. Now, if you don't have the whole rainbow, you can just practice mixing colors. When I drip this pink, it kind of looks the same as the red, but when you start mixing, you'll see how the colors look different. All right, let's mix the colors. So I'm going to use my straw because I don't want to get food coloring all over my fingers, but you might like to play in the shaving cream. So you'll have to talk to your mommy and daddy about what's okay for you to do at your house. So I'm going to stir it. Here, I'll hold it up so you can see it. Oh my gosh, look at the colors changing already. Mixing them together. What a pretty rainbow. Oh, that looks amazing. Now I'm going to go side to side. Wow. Kind of reminds me of a birthday cake. Look at how the colors all mixed up. You know what I think I'm gonna do? I'm gonna write my name. I'll write it upside down for me, but you'll be able to see it. So here's my letter M. And my letter I. Swirly. And an N. Looks like that's all I can fit. I just wrote Min. M. I. N. You can write your name, or you could write Mommy or Daddy. I think I'm gonna practice some numbers, so let's do some circles here. Get it really mixed together. Wow, this is so pretty, friends. Look at all the colors when I do big circles. A little swirl in the middle. See how all the different shades mix together? All right, let's practice some numbers. Let's see, how about how old you are? Why don't you write your number for how old you are? I'm gonna write my number. I am 30. Can you see that? 39. Can you see my 39? There's my 39. How old are you? Write your age. Well, that's fun. So you can keep playing with that. We're gonna do another science experiment with the shaving cream and the food coloring. So here I have a jar with some water filled halfway. And I'm gonna put the rest filled with shaving cream. So it'll sit on the layer right on top of the water, you'll see. So what we're making here is like a cloud. And that ought to do. And then we're just gonna put little drops of our food coloring in, and you'll get to watch it make a drippy rainbow. So this time I think I'm gonna go backwards through the rainbow. So I have my purple, still messy from the shaving cream, but that's okay. I have a tissue right here I'm gonna wipe it off with. Look, I got some blue on my finger. All right, there we go. Okay, so we'll put a couple of drops of purple. Let's see if you can see it drip down the edge. There it goes, there's one. We'll do one on the other side and see if it looks different. There's a purple drop. Okay, if we go backwards through the rainbow, what's the next color after purple? Going backwards. The next color is blue. I think I'll do the light blue. Another drop of blue right here. And turn it around for you. We'll do another drop of blue right here. Just a little more. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty. And what's the next color after blue? Then comes green. So we'll do a couple of drops of green here. There we go. Turn it around. We'll do some green on this side. And what's the next color? Yellow. So here comes yellow. Remember, the yellow one kind of looks orangey. There's yellow. Oh, it's dripping all the way down. And we'll do some yellow on this side. Put a little extra yellow because it's such a light color. And then what color comes next? Orange, but we don't have orange food coloring, so what two colors are we gonna mix together? Yellow and red. So we'll put some red next. And we'll put a drop of yellow exactly in the same spot. I'm gonna be really careful to drip it in the exact same spot. Here we go. And it'll mix together as we go. We'll turn it around and we'll do the same thing on this side. So we'll do a drop of red right here. And then we'll put a couple of drops of yellow right in the same spot. All right, I'm gonna put yellow away, and what's our last color in the rainbow? Red, of course, and look, we're back to the beginning again. Do some red on the other side. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oop, there it goes. Dripping around together. So you can see the colors are starting to mix in the bottom here too. So you can watch how the water changes color, and you can see on the bottom where the shaving cream is just sitting right on the top like a cloud. It's like we made a rainbow in a jar. That is so pretty. Now I'm gonna use my straw and I'm gonna poke some holes and see what happens. Making some bubbles in the water. And the colors are starting to mix up in the water a little bit more. Oh wow, that's really cool. What if we swirl it around? Kind of reminds me of sherbet ice cream. I'm back, friends, because I had a great idea. We can turn our shaving cream experience into an art activity. So I went and got some paper and we're gonna try a little experiment. I'm gonna put my paper down in my colorful shaving cream, take out my straw, and I'm gonna put it down in there, and I'm gonna push it a little bit, push it around, and then, oh wow. Look what it made. Wow, isn't that beautiful? And now I'm gonna try another one. I'm gonna do it a little bit different. I'm gonna swirl around my paints again. Oh, maybe if I can get my straw to detach from the tissue paper. Swirl around my paint. Get really pretty again. Oh wow, this is just so fun. I hope you're having fun too. And this time, push it down in there. Push, 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 push. Lift it up. A little bit quicker. Oh, that one looks different. Look at that one. And one more. So I'm gonna swirl around my colors again. This time I think I'm gonna make it just stripey, so I'm just gonna do stripes across. That looks pretty. Look at that. All right, we're gonna push it down in there again. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Get it really smushed this time. Really smush the colors. All right, here we go. Oh, look at that one. Oh, this one's really cool. Looks like whipped cream, like colorful whipped cream. And then I'm gonna let these dry and we'll see how they look after they dry. I'll post the photos for you and we'll see what they turn out like. I hope you had a great time. Bye.